different.
What's going on, good people? This is your boy Jay Hill, and welcome back to another video of the chocolate stocks. And in this video, we're going to talk about everybody's favorite social media stock, ZOM, Zomedica, ticker symbol ZOM. If you're a bag holding Zomedica, you are patiently waiting. People are telling you, buy the dip. Other people are telling you it's a dead cat. It's a dead cat. Is it a dead cat? Do you buy the dip? Do you just hold? Let's find out. So if you are new to this channel, I want to let you know I am on a journey for 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help with that. So if you're new to the channel, please do me a solid and like and subscribe to the channel. That will help me out. I try to bring you good content. I try to be honest with you. I try to be therapeutic with you. Like, you know, if you're a bag holder, we all hold the bags. Everybody's portfolio is down. Let's have some therapy. And with that being said, let's preface this by saying I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market. All right, let's look at the stock. So ZOM, ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica. So looks like we opened at 174 and hit a high of 190 before closing at 183. So Zomedica is people bag holding since a while, and we'll take a look at the technicals. I will say I do like this potential for actually a bit of a squeeze on Zomedica. I think it's oversold, and I'll just show you with the price action on the charts that will actually help me out in kind of illustrating that. So let's look at some technicals. Here we had a pop early off the bell for a high around 190, almost testing $2 again. You know, people want to get back over $2. It's people that bought at 230 and higher that need to get their money back. So let's just map out some key points of support and resistance, and then we'll try to draw some price points and some predictions moving forward for everybody's favorite social media stock. I will also tell you I bought in for the first time on Zomedica today. I took a position in Zomedica. I did like what I saw from the charts. I did like what I saw from the potential of a squeeze with Zomedica, and so it got me a bit bullish on it, and so I took a position today because I think it's an opportunity to do so. So as you see, I drew these lines just to try to map out some price points of what you wanted to kind of react off of. So if you look at what it did right off the bat, it popped. So volume came in, pushed it up, and then the shorts. Now this stock is heavily shorted because of the pop earlier, and I'm gonna illustrate that. So again, the people who shorted the stock, they don't want the price up here. They're gonna drive it down. They want to win just as bad as we do. So price got dropped down all the way to a low of 174 before taking a bit of a bullish climb, and then middling around between $1.80 and $1.88, right around there, kind of middle around. But look, it's not going too high, it's not going too low. This is classic consolidation, and we're talking about a penny stock, so price movements is dramatic by cents. So let's zoom out to more of a bigger view. Let's look at the 1 month. And as you can see, in the last month, we started down here around 90 cents, 89 cents. Big, massive push at the beginning of the month. Hit a high here. $3, right around $3 range was the absolute high, but looks like the main rejection points is about $2.90. So what I'm looking for in this stock and I'm just going to map out some other key price points because once we get out of this realm, it actually has a pretty good setup that I like. And this is the reason why I took the position today, because again, all of the things that I mapped out earlier in the 1 day chart, look at this setup. We had this run up, but it's found support. This is what I like about the stock. It found a double bottom. It found a double bottom. Look at this. So it shot up, sold off. Here's a bounce. It's a bottom once, bottom twice, and this is a bullish flag. This is that George Washington. This is that W we looking for. So we're looking for that W because once we get that second bounce, we're looking for it to come back and test these levels of resistance. So 190 is a key price point. We get about $2. We want to see a whole $2 and then go back and test, 220, 230. Once you get past 230, it could run 280. It is nothing really significant in its way. I know it was trading back and forth here, but really it wasn't nothing stopping it the first time running up. So that means to me is not going to be anything stopping it the second time. And I look to see that 230 becomes the next level of support, as it served as resistance once, twice, 3 times, almost 4. So I look for it to serve as support at some point moving forward. So that has me long-term bullish on the stock. So if we want to look for a trend line, now again, this is still just based on the technicals. So I'm looking for it to have to respect this trend line. If it breaks this trend line, all bets are off. But looking at the chart, the black spaces are the daytime trading. The gray spaces are after hours. So if it respects this trend line, the next trading day is March 1st, March 2nd, March 3rd, March 4th. Respects this trend line, we can be pushing back almost $3 by March 4th. Again, I will preface that by saying respecting the trend line. That is subject to change. We don't know what's going to happen come the next trading day. But the fact that this is a heavily held stock and it's a heavily shorted stock, I think it has a chance for a massive squeeze potential. I think it has a chance to run up a little bit. So that's why I took a position. I would say if you're holding the stock, now is probably a good time to average in, because with this double bottom, it means that it found support. It found support. You're buying at support levels, which minimizes your risk to reward. So that's why I took a position. You could probably feel good about doing the same. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do what you feel like you need to do based on your own due diligence. And with that being said, that's all I have for this stock. I am bullish. If you are as well, please let me know in the comments. We'll watch this one play out. And if you like what you've seen, if you like what you heard, if you're just now discovering this channel, if I helped you in any way, just do me one solid, man, and like and subscribe to the channel. Bring somebody else to the party. I try to bring you good content every day as I grow this channel. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And with that being said, enjoy your day. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.